a solid foundation. The right tools for the job. Having the right tools is essential for any tradesperson, but it's vital for electricians. The nature of their work demands precision, safety, and reliability. Electricity is dangerous, and using the wrong tools can lead to serious injury or even death. Proper tools ensure that electricians can perform their tasks without unnecessary risks. That's why it's so important to have a well-stocked toolkit with high-quality tools that you can rely on. A well-organized toolkit not only makes the job easier, but also ensures that you have everything you need at your fingertips. The same goes for electrical work. You need the right tools to do the job safely and effectively. Insulated tools, for example, protect you from electric shocks and ensure that you can work confidently. In this guide, we'll cover the essential tools every electrician needs, from basic hand tools to specialized equipment. We'll discuss their purpose and what to look for when buying them. Investing in the right tools is an investment in your safety and the quality of your work. So, let's dive in and explore the essential tools that will set you up for success as an electrician. The mighty pliers, your go-to tool. Pliers are like an extension of your hand for an electrician. You'll use them for everything, from gripping wires to bending metal. There are many different types of pliers, but some of the most common ones for electricians include lineman's pliers. These are your heavy-duty pliers for cutting, gripping, and twisting thick wires. Needle nose pliers. These have a long, narrow tip that's perfect for reaching into tight spaces. Diagonal cutting pliers. As the name suggests, these are used for cutting wires and cables. When buying pliers, make sure they're well made and durable. Look for pliers with insulated handles for added safety. You don't want to get a shock when you're working with live wires. Wire strippers are cut above the rest. Wire strippers are another essential tool for electricians. They are used to remove the insulation from electrical wires so you can make connections. There are a few different types of wire strippers, but the most common type is the combination wire stripper. Combination wire strippers have multiple stripping holes for different wire gauges. They also have a built-in wire cutter. When using wire strippers, it's important to use the correct stripping hole for the gauge of wire you're working with. If you use the wrong hole, you could damage the wire. Screwdrivers. Driving your work forward. It might seem obvious, but you can't forget about screwdrivers. They are essential tools in any electrician's toolkit. You'll use them for everything from installing outlets and switches to assembling electrical panels. They are versatile and indispensable. Like pliers, there are many different types of screwdrivers, but the most common types for electricians are slotted screwdrivers. These have a flat blade that fits into a slotted screw head. They are great for older screws and simple tasks. Phillips screwdrivers. These have a cross-shaped blade that fits into a Phillips screw head. They provide better grip and torque. Robertson screwdrivers. These have a square-shaped blade that fits into a Robertson screw head. They are known for their stability and ease of use. When buying screwdrivers, look for ones with magnetic tips. This can make your job much easier. This will help to prevent the screws from falling off while you're working, saving you time and frustration. And just like with pliers, insulated handles are a must for safety. They protect you from electrical shocks, ensuring you can work confidently. Section 5. The versatile utility knife. Your sharpest ally. Don't underestimate the usefulness of a good utility knife. Electricians use them for a variety of tasks, from stripping wire to cutting drywall. When choosing a utility knife, look for one with a comfortable grip and a retractable blade. It's also a good idea to choose a knife that allows you to easily replace the blades. That way, you can always make sure you're working with a sharp blade, which is important for both safety and efficiency. Section 6. Fish tape. Navigating the walls. Running wires through walls and ceilings can be tricky, but fish tape makes it a lot easier. Fish tape is a long, flexible steel strip that's used to pull wires through conduit and other tight spaces. To use fish tape, you simply feed it through the opening where you want the wire to come out. Then, attach the wire to the end of the fish tape and pull it back through. It's as simple as that. Section 7. The essential multimeter. Your electrical detective. A multimeter is an essential tool for any electrician. It's used to measure voltage, current, resistance, and other electrical properties. Multimeters come in both analog and digital varieties. Analog multimeters have a needle that moves across a scale, while digital multimeters have a digital display. Digital multimeters are generally easier to use and more accurate than analog multimeters. When buying a multimeter, be sure to choose one that's rated for the type of electrical work you'll be doing. Section 8. Non-contact voltage tester. Staying safe from the start. Before you start working on any electrical circuit, it's important to make sure that it's not live. That's where a non-contact voltage tester comes in. This handy tool allows you to test for voltage without actually having to touch the wires. Simply hold the tip of the tester near the wire or outlet you want to test. If there's voltage present, the tester will light up or beep. It's a simple but essential tool for staying safe when working with electricity. Section 9. Level up your toolkit. Investing in quality and safety. Having the right tools is essential for any electrician. The tools you use can make a significant difference in the efficiency and quality of your work. Using outdated or worn-out tools can compromise your work and even your safety. High-quality tools are designed to be durable and reliable, ensuring that you can perform your tasks efficiently and safely. Investing in good tools means investing in your own professional reputation and the trust of your clients. Choose quality over cost. Cheaper options often don't offer the same level of performance or longevity. Cheap tools might seem like a good deal, but they're more likely to break or wear out quickly. In the long run, it's better to invest in well-made tools that will last for years to come. Always remember, safety first. Using the right tools in the right way is crucial for maintaining a safe working environment. Regularly inspect your tools for any signs of wear and tear, and replace them as needed to maintain optimal performance and safety. Thanks for watching Tech Care Engineering. Your continued support is vital to me. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Your feedback helps me create better videos. Check out other videos on the screen that you might find interesting. I hope you continue to watch Tech Care Engineering.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want myself a promise, I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I